After seeing Peanuts with Tyler, I honestly realized something. This boy might be one of the most blessed kids on the internet right now, because seriously, everything seems to be going his way. And what makes it even more impressive is that Peanuts has only been in the game for about a year, but look at how much he has already achieved. His name is now known all over the entertainment space, and he has managed to connect with some of the biggest South African celebrities you can think of. And what's interesting is that whenever these celebrities meet him, they seem genuinely happy to be around him. But the recent link up that really caught my attention was Peanuts meeting Tyler. Tyler wasn't just around him for a quick picture. They actually spent some time together, made TikToks, and had a really nice interaction. But then Tyler took things a step further by posting her video with Peanuts on her own Instagram page and tagging him. And guys, you have to understand how big that is. Tyler has a massive international following. So when she posts someone like Peanuts, there are people from outside South Africa who are seeing his name and face for the first time. Some of those people are going to be curious and think, wait, who's this Peanuts guy? And that's exactly how opportunities start opening up. What I also love about this is that it's bigger than just Peanuts. Tyler is one of the South African artists who has managed to break into the international market. So when she puts another young South African personality in front of a global audience, it creates more exposure for South African entertainment as a whole. And honestly, I respect Tyler even more for this. She's already doing big things internationally, but she's still showing love to people coming up behind her. That's something I think we should appreciate. As for Peanuts, I genuinely believe this is only the beginning. He's already built some serious connections at such a young age, and if he continues moving the way he's moving, I wouldn't be surprised if even bigger opportunities come his way. It's actually beautiful to watch. But let me know what you guys think. Do you agree that what Tyler is doing is beneficial not only for Peanuts, but for South African entertainment as a whole? And do you think this opportunity could open even more doors for Peanuts? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you didn't know, Peanuts and the rest of the CPC stars are currently in America, so I'll definitely be covering more of what they get up to while they're there. So make sure you subscribe because there's definitely more to come. Peace.